Hi, I'm RWoodruff here in Junction City with BISH'S RV, and I get to show you a really great 2018 40A Winnebago Horizon. There's a lot to go over with this coach, so I'm going to give you a quick overview. And if you have any questions, give me a call, because there's a lot going on with this coach, more than I could tell you in an hour. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. It's got the big slides. This is on the Maximum chassis. This is going to give you the maximum amount of storage under the coach. You know, when they're unlocked, you can show how great that storage is. When they're not, everything's safe in there. Outside TV, full body paint, frameless windows, dual panes, thermal protected so the sunshine doesn't get in there. Access to a plumbing fitting here for the, I believe this is the forward bathroom. It's on the big Michelin 22.5-inch tires. This has got the ISL Cummins 400 motor with over 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. It's got the MH3000 6-speed Allison transmission, which is like the #1 transmission. It's got a rear ladder. A lot of coaches don't have that rear ladder. There's a little part that hangs on there. You don't have to jump, trust me. We've got the Oasis system, or not the Oasis, the hydronic heating system, sorry about that. So it doesn't have a water heater, it has continuous hot water. Again, there is so much going on with this coach. 4 slide outs, lot of room inside, beautiful plumbing bays. I should have unlocked it, huh? Anyways, so much to go over with this coach. Trying to keep it short, sweet, give you a quick overview. We've got the front mounted Onan diesel generator. I like the fact that it's front mounted. It's going to keep the noise away from the bedroom, even though it's a very quiet diesel generator. Okay, easy access to it. This is our generator hatch, opens up, get in there, service your generator. Let's go inside, because I'm trying to keep this short for you. Let's take a quick look at this rig. Right here in the step well, there's a little piece that was going to fill in this hole and make the floor nice and flat so the passenger's not hanging their feet out. Although the Horizon front passenger seat does have a footrest, so when you turn it around, it's just like a recliner. And so does the driver's seat. Usually they only do it to one, not the driver's seat, because they really don't want you putting your feet up while you're driving. It's a bad habit. But you can turn it around and it's like a regular recliner. Back here in our living room, we've got the push button sofa. You push a button and it's going to recline. It's got built-in ottomans. There's a lot of little stuff here. Table can shift side to side and lock in place. We've got our main TV straight across from the reclining sofa that pops straight up. We've got a free floating recliner. We've got another TV in the back right next to our 6,000 BTU forced air electric furnace fireplace. No fire, electric. Look at our cabinetry throughout. Big windows. There's windows all over the place. Huge, a lot of natural light coming in. I love the handleless cabinetry. You just rotate your fingers on this and it opens up. This is all lined. It's going to make it quiet. You don't have stuff bouncing around on wood, echoing. Winnebago did a great job on this coach. The ACs are diffused. Let's head on back into the kitchen. Induction cooktop. You can actually program how hot you want your pan to be. Not take a guess and go, I think 8. You can say 350, let's make some French fries. Convection microwave in here. Dishwasher in there, which is a great place to store your dishes. Keeps them from rattling. Big residential refrigerator. Big freezer. 2 drawers. Ice maker in the door. Love that feature. Love this door here. Nice and soft. Nice rollers. I want to do this in my house. I think this is so cool. Here's our control panel. Oh, we still got ways to go. Let's go on in back. So we have a king size sleep number bed back here, dual controls. We've got a pop-up TV here. So if you want the window, you have the window. If you want the TV, you have the TV. A lot of storage. They did not miss a single opportunity to use every square inch of this coach. Big closet back here. I mean, it's literally a walk-in closet. Bigger than my bedroom. Anyways, over on this side, we have the built-in apartment size washer dryer. Let's go into the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we've got 2 sinks. We've got a pretty good sized shower in here. Well illuminated. Love the glass doors. They're gonna let light in. They're not gonna turn this into a cave. I'm not a little guy either. Porcelain commode. Again, they did not miss an opportunity to use storage. Dual sinks. Love this. Medicine cabinets. It's like being in a home. More storage here. It's an incredible coach. 2018 40A Winnebago Horizon. My name is RWoodruff with BISH'S RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. It's a quick overview. I have not touched on half of this coach. If you have questions, let me know. Ask me about the ceiling fan in the bedroom. Thanks, guys.